Hi there, welcome back everyone. This is a Navien NCB 700. This is an amazing combi boiler that provides hot water to 3 bathrooms simultaneously according to them. So we're going to be installing it. As you can see there, it comes with a separate power cable and a link for its own smart controls. That's what we want. So it's got a template. It's got the bit for the condense. User manual. It's got a expansion vessel. And then over here we have a valve kit. So it's all the bits at the bottom. It's got a pressure gauge. It comes with a filling loop as well. Get a pressure relief valve. This will be for the circ. And then this is what does the job of a secondary circulation pump. Essentially keeps the water hot at the taps. This is the template it comes with.